हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ दविशा अग्रवाल। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं दैट विंटर इज़ ऑलमोस्ट हियर एंड टेम्परेचर डे बाय डे काफ़ी कम होता जा रहा है। सो इट्स गेटिंग रियली चिली, स्पेशली इन राजस्थान, जहाँ पे मैं भी हूँ, माई होम टाउन। सो दैट्स वाई आई एम वेयरिंग दिस। बट या, सो दैट्स वाई आई थॉट दैट इंडिया के मोस्ट पार्ट्स में अभी विंटर आने वाला है एंड लेट्स मेक अ फैशन वीडियो रिलेटेड टू विंटर एंड जस्ट let you guys know how to style and layer and look stylish during winter. इस वीडियो में जितने स्टाइल्स मैंने मेंशन किए हैं, they are all doable, very comfortable and really warm as well. So मैंने इसमें काफ़ी सारे different styles include किए हैं. There are 5 styles in total for different people, for different weather conditions and everything like that. So I really hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे and if अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना and yeah, let's just get into the video. Also मैंने ये वीडियो काफ़ी नए पैटर्न में शूट किया है. So I really hope that you guys like it. If you do, please comment and tell me if you like this new pattern or new style of shooting. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For the first look, I definitely went a little overboard. I wore this black sweater along with a really pretty beige pencil skirt. Now I tucked the sweater in, of course, for the obvious reasons. Then I used a muffler to complete the whole look because I honestly feel it would look quite boring without it. Clearly struggling to put them on, but I wore these beautiful brown boots as brown looks really great with beige, and you can see how well they go together. Honestly, I have a newfound love for pencil skirts now, and you can definitely pair them with stockings in case you feel cold or something. Lastly, if you want to look over the top, you can go ahead with a beret. This whole look directly takes me to Paris, and you can pull it off if you are visiting someplace beautiful or fancy this winter. Next up, we have a very chill and laid back outfit. I'm wearing a sweatshirt and I tucked it in a little bit. Then I paired it with these really comfortable and well fitted bootcut jeans. I love how perfectly it fits me because it's almost impossible to find my size. But anyway, I wore these pretty pink earrings to add a pop of color. And also for my hair, I tied them up in a half pony, which I think goes really well with the vibe of this particular look. I also wore a watch because come on, it's just cool. For shoes, I played it safe and kept it really comfortable by choosing these white sneakers. And lastly, a pair of sunglasses to go out in that winter sun. I feel this outfit is so effortless, yet it looks super chic. It's not warm enough, so it's really suitable for places with pleasant and not so extreme winters. So you can just style it accordingly. Coming to the third look, I really wanted to ditch my jeans, so I wore this maxi skirt along with a t-shirt. Now this looks a little messy as it is, so I used a small hack to convert my regular t-shirt into a crop top, and I feel it instantly changes the whole look. Loving it. To complete the look, I paired it with a shawl, and it honestly looks so beautiful and so feminine. For the accessories, basics for the win, I wore a simple kada and silver hoop earrings, nothing else. I tied my hair using a small little clip to maintain that feminine vibe of this look. Now to add a statement piece, I went for these black boots to make it look more fancier, and I love how it elevates the whole look, and I would definitely wear this on a picnic or a day out with family for sure. Moving on, for this look, I wore a turtleneck top with a pair of skinny jeans. Then I layered it with a crop top to make it look all fancy and basically to add an extra layer for more warmth. I feel this is good enough for not so extreme weather, but if you add a puffer jacket like this one on top of it, it makes it just perfect for extreme weather conditions like snowfall or something. Honestly, it's so warm that you can survive in snow wearing this jacket. Totally worth it. I kept my accessories to bare minimum by wearing just these silver round earrings. For footwear, I chose to wear white sneakers, but if you are at an extremely cold place, I would definitely recommend wearing boots with it or something else that you feel comfortable in. I completed this look with a pair of sunglasses, and look at me, I am all ready to go explore north of India right now. Last but definitely not the least, here I am wearing a black sweater along with my skinny jeans. I layered it with this really pretty cardigan. Can you believe that this is my mom's old cardigan and I love this color? It is handmade, so it's extremely warm as well. I topped it off with a beret, and I love how it instantly just makes it look super stylish. To complete this look, I paired it with same brown boots, and it just makes it look quite edgy. I wore simple round earrings, and I honestly enjoy wearing berets so much because look how cute it looks, and then I end up saying I love it. So that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to like this video, share this with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of content, pictures, videos over there, and I'm sure you would love it. So this is my handle, and yeah, just follow me there. Just catching up on my stories and everything. Also, I'm thinking to make more winter related content, so let me know in the comments what kind of videos would you like to watch, and I would definitely try to make all of them. So yeah, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.